Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. In this video, we've got a CAT 2018 question. Before you go through this video explanation, I would request you to solve the RC passage, go through its passage analysis, and then watch this video explanation. So what do we have at hand here? In this particular case, the question that we've got here is, it asks us specifically in the first paragraph, Bradshaw uses the term violence to describe the recent change in the human-elephant relationship because according to him, so here we've got to understand the significance of the usage of the term violence. Why has he used it to describe the change in the human-elephant relationship? In order to answer this question, let's go through the first paragraph. It's a short paragraph, so let's go through the complete text. Everybody pretty much agrees that the relationship between elephants and people has dramatically changed, says psychologist Gary Bradshaw. Where for centuries humans and elephants lived in a relatively peaceful coexistence, there is now hostility and violence. Now I use the term violence because of the intentionality associated with it. So there is intention associated with it. The most important word here is there is intention involved. The obvious question is, whose intention, who is the protagonist of this, both in the aggression of humans and at times the recently observed behavior of elephants. So the aggression is involved at both the ends of the spectrum, right? Humans as well as elephants, they have intentional aggression towards each other. So violence, why has he used the word violence? Because he wants to highlight this sentiment of intentional violence, intentional aggression that humans and elephants have towards each other. Now, which is the word which comes closest to this sentiment of intentionality? That word is purposefulness. There is a purposefulness in human and elephant aggression towards each other. So essentially we are doing nothing else, but we are substituting the word intentionality with the word purposefulness. That is all we are doing in this question. Once you're able to correlate these small elements, right, you will be easily able to identify the answer. Option number B, on the other hand, states elephant herds and their habitats have been systematically destroyed by humans. Remember, this is working both ways. He's using the term violence. The reason for using the word violence is there is intentionality associated with it, both in aggression of humans and at times the observed behavior of elephants. So your answer option should contain both humans and elephants, not only humans, hence ruled out. Option number C, human-elephant interactions have changed their character over time. The problem with option number C is it does not mention what kind of change. It does not mention the intentional aggression that has infiltrated human-elephant interaction. This option misses out on the what. It does not mention that. It stops short of clarifying the context, hence ruled out. Both humans and elephants have killed members of each other's species. We don't know this fact. This has not been mentioned outside the scope of the passage. B, C and D are ruled out. Option number A is the correct answer. Hopefully so you've understood the question and the reasoning behind it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.